gaikoku. Gaikoku is mean foreign country. The first kanji gai is mean outside, right? Is mean outside. So, and the second kanji is koku. The kanji koku is from the kanji of kuni, right? Kuni is mean country. So when we put the kanji have the meaning outside and the country, this mean outside the country. So when we talk about the outside the country, that means foreign country. If you live in Japan and you are Japanese, and you say about foreign country, or you say about gaikoku, this means it's not Japan but another country. So we say foreign country. And for example, in here we have the example like gaikoku e itta koto ga nai. Gaikoku e itta koto ga nai. Or you say like gaikoku e itta koto ga arimasen, which means I have never been abroad. I have never been abroad. Gaikoku is mean another country or foreign country. Itta koto ga nai or itta koto ga arimasen. This means you never go. The grammar koto ga nai or koto ga arimasu or koto ga arimasen is mean have you ever or have you never, something like this. So in here they say itta koto ga nai. This means just even one time you haven't gone before.